Hi, and welcome to Mods. We're keeping you connected to inspiring science with virtual camp discovery brought to you by Citrix, the museum's official innovation partner. Today, we'll create an intense fireball, a visible vacuum, and an air cannon. The results are shattering. Hey, welcome back to the Mods YouTube channel. I'm Michael.
I'm Lan.
Today, we are going to talk about something called vacuum.
You mean, no, like the vacuum you find in your...
No, not the one that you clean your room with.
Okay.
We're actually talking about an area that has no oxygen that is a vacuum. A very popular vacuum that a lot of us know, and you may not know it's a vacuum, is actually space.
Really?
Outer space, correct. There's no oxygen out there. So what we're going to do today is we're actually going to create our own vacuum in a small experiment, and then we've got this really awesome big experiment.
How awesome.
It's just crazy awesome. I'm very excited about it. So we're gonna create this absolutely crazy combustion, and how are we gonna do that, Lan?
We're gonna use this water jug that we have right here.
Awesome, and this is extremely hard plastic,
yes,
right?
very hard, very hard. You can't not break it out at all.
And what's inside of that?
So we have a very, very special liquid that you can only find here at the Museum of Discovery and Science. So come check us out.
So that is correct. And what are we gonna do with this?
So we're gonna set it on fire.
Love it, that's my favorite thing. All right, and how do we get this to catch on fire? What do we need?
So we need three things. We need an ignition source, a fuel source, and we need oxygen, something we breathe in every day.
That's fantastic. So how do we set this up? You're gonna put your hand over the top, right?
I'm gonna trap some oxygen in like so. Give it a nice little shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. And then I'm gonna set it down. I'm gonna give you my lighter. I'm gonna take my hand off. We're gonna count to 3 and set the flame in. We're gonna see our flame rush down and violently rush back up and out of our water jug.
Okay, awesome. So let's go ahead. We're gonna move into the dark and we're gonna actually do this right now. So here we go. I'll let you handle the hot stuff.
All right. Oh, me, I'm the hot stuff.
So here we go. We're gonna grab this. We're gonna shake this up.
Shake, 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 shake.
We're gonna put it down. All right, here we go. And 3, 2, 1. Fire in the hole! Well, that was absolutely crazy. There was so much fire.
So much.
So when we had that absolutely crazy burn, what did it eat up in there?
It ate up all of our oxygen. So right now we have no more oxygen inside of our water jug. And if we try to light it again, we're gonna get a lazy flame or no combustion at all.
Okay, so now we have a second one. Now this time we're gonna change the experiment a little bit. We are going to light this on fire again. We're gonna get that crazy burn.
Crazy.
But this time, when the flame goes out, you're gonna put your hand on top.
Yes.
And we're gonna watch what happens to the bottle itself.
Yes.
Okay, so here we go. We're gonna shake this up, go ahead. Awesome.
Shaking for years there.
We're gonna 3, 2, and 1. Here we go.
Fire in the hole.
Hand over the top. Now, as we see, the bottle is absolutely squeezing. It's starving for oxygen. It's trying to grab the oxygen. And if Lan lets his hand off the top, all of the oxygen rushes back inside of there and actually reinflates this extremely hard plastic bottle. Now, Lan.
Yes.
As exciting as that was,
so fun.
We have a much more exciting experiment to do, and for this one we're gonna have to go outside and handle this, so come join us outside. We're going to demo our air cannon. Now the air cannon is something we actually built here at the museum. Kids, this is not something you should build at home. If you attempt to, please make sure your parents are with you. So this is something very simple. It's PVC pipe, wood, a couple of steel brackets, and a couple of projectiles that are inside of this. So literally we built a frame out of 2x4. We drilled some holes right through it. We put a large PVC pipe all the way through. We have a plunger right here, which is about smaller piece of PVC that is actually fed all the way through to the front here. On the front, we have a projectile, which is just a end cap for a PVC pipe. It's sitting inside of here right now. What's gonna happen is we're going to pull the plunger out. And as we do that, on the front, there's a piece of aluminum foil with duct tape around it. We've created a nice tight seal. As we pull this, we are creating a vacuum inside. Once the plunger pops out, all of the air from around us is going to rush inside of this tube. It is going to grab that projectile and it is going to launch it right into our target, which is a watermelon. No, not you, not you. Please do not ever stand in front of the cannon.
I won't.
But it is that watermelon. So I think we're ready to fire.
I'm ready, I'm ready.
Awesome, let's do this.
Give me a countdown,
All right,
Michael.
here we go. In 3, 2, 1. You can rip that open, there you go. There might be a second one in there, actually. There is a second one. And you can also see the inside of the watermelon got absolutely destroyed too with all that Is that delicious? All right. All right, we'll see everybody next time. Thanks for joining us. Thank you for joining us for this episode of Virtual Camp Discovery. Special thanks to Citrix, Mod's official innovation partner, for powering this series. Please stay safe and connected with Mods by visiting our social channels at MODSFTL.